Yeah, good evening friends. I welcome to all of you to workshop of Sujog Acupressure part 3. First of all, I thank the management committee of Help Library. They give me an opportunity third time over here to speak in front of you. Today I will be highlighting the special tips on knee pain, back pain, cervical and also good tips on diabetes by way of Sujog Acupressure. The inventor of Sujog Acupressure, Professor Park Jae-woo from Korea. He shows the similarity of our body in our hand. For example, with example I will try to explain you. In our home, we have 6 light and 6 fan, 1 TV and 1 fridge. Totally 14 electronic devices there, which the switch of that 14 electronic devices on the switchboard. On the switchboard we have 14 switches in which the number has been given. Fan 1, fan 2, light 1, light 2. Similar way our body also have similarity of the switchboard and electronic devices in our home. Right? Now this is my body. Let me present myself in front of you so you will come to know how to do it. This is my body. I am standing in front of you. Front part of the body, back part of the body. Up, down, right, left. Right? I have 2 hands. Face, neck, chest, stomach and 2 legs. Right? Our body grows like this. Below diaphragm, from here it goes down. Above diaphragm, it goes up. In up down I finish. Half portion on right, half portion on left. Front and back. Am I going faster? No. Okay. Now see, as I told you, this is my body. I will show you this body, 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 face, neck, chest and stomach. As Professor Park Jae-woo says that full body in hand. So I should say this is my switchboard. I'll present this hand as a body like this. Can you see? This is my body. If I place this hand the way I am standing, you will come to know easily. This is my body. This is the switch of my body. I have 4 fingers, 2 hands, 2 legs. I am standing in front of you. This mini body, I make you this body stand in front of you like this. This is my head which is going upward direction. So this thumb corresponds to the switch of my head. Below thumb, I have my neck. So this portion of my thumb, second part of my thumb, which corresponds the neck. Madam, language is okay? Because you have problem now, Hindi language, no? Okay. The second part of my thumb is correspond my neck. Right? Below, I have chest. This is a portion, as you see here, which is my chest correspondence. As I told you, is it comfortable? So this is my body, this is my body. Can you see over here head? Below head is my neck. Below neck is my chest. Below chest, this is the above diaphragm. So this is the above diaphragm. And on the side by I have 2 fingers. On the side by middle 2 fingers I have leg. It means side 2 finger I have 2 hands, middle 2 finger, I have 2 legs. This is my knee correspondence. Here we will come to know from the presentation I given you. Here is okay? Right. Can you see here? The face, neck, chest, both the hand, both the leg. Right? Can you see the 3 part of the finger? This is my left hand. Because I am standing in front of you, this is my 2 finger which correspond my hand. I am facing you, I am facing you. We have to place our hand like this. Because this is the front part of my body. This is white portion is front part of my body. Even if I keep this hand, I will keep it like this. Even if I keep like this, I will keep it like this. you will see the similarity. This is my right hand. So this finger which is on the right side corresponds my right hand. Right? Next to right hand I have my right leg. Next to this finger is my this finger. This corresponds right leg. Next to this leg is my this leg. This finger next to this finger is my left leg. And this finger which is next to this finger, next to this leg is my, and so this is left hand. As you see here, this is my left hand, left leg, it means left knee, middle to second joint of the finger, middle two finger of both the hand and both the leg correspond my two legs. And second joint of the both the finger of middle two finger is correspond the knee, because this is my knee correspondence point. Right? Can you see here? Right? Professor says that the full body in hand and feet, as I explained you just now. Right? Sujok acupressure, Professor Park Joo invented from Korea, Sujok therapy. Su means hand, Jok means feet. Sujok is a Korean word. Here Su stands for hand and Jok stands for feet. I given you one paper in which you can see. Su means in Korean language hand, Jok means feet. Right? Similar as I explained you in hand, we have four finger, one thumb in hand. Similar way in feet also we have four finger and thumb. Right? As you see here, left hand, left knee, left thumb. As I told you, this is my body. This finger is my left hand. This is my left leg. This is my face. This is my neck. Then can you see the diaphragm line over here, which correspond my this? So this is my chest portion. If I place it like this is my left leg. Because if I place it like this, left side of this diaphragm line, this is my left lung. The left lung will come on the left side, right lung will come on the right side. Right? So means hand, means feet again. Now here you see right lung, heart, liver. Can you see this entire body? We have the projection of the entire body organ inside the body. Can you see this? This is the head portion which comes in our thumb. Right? Thyroid gland over here which comes on the second part of the thumb. Then after parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovaries, entire body which comes in our hand. Human body is a form of life which is a tiny and well harmonized universe. The way we say the full body in hand, God has given everything like a switchboard, like a remote point in our hand and feet. Now here you see, this is my body. Can you see this body? I am standing in front of you. Can you see this right hand over here? Right? When this is my right hand, I have shown you this position over here. This finger, which is my right hand corresponds, and this is also my right hand. Can you see everybody? This is my original body. This is my liver on the right side. This is a diaphragm line over here. Can you see liver on the right side? Right? This is my diaphragm line. So this diaphragm line will come over here. This is above diaphragm line. I cannot show you chest and lungs in this picture. But here, I can show you the liver as you see over here. This is my intestine. Can you see it is going like this? This is my original intestine inside the body. This is my right hand over here. This is my right leg correspondence. It means right leg will come below over here. Right? This is my left leg correspondence. It means here the left leg will come over here. Left hand will be over here. Right? Am I going faster? Am I going faster? All right, no? Now many people suffer from diabetes. It means there is malfunctioning of pancreas in our body. Right? Now as I told you, this is my body. This is a diaphragm line. Pancreas which is located below diaphragm. Right? This is my diaphragm. This is my diaphragm. See, the shape of pancreas is like this in our body. Do you know this? Turmeric, haldi. The shape of this turmeric and shape of this pancreas is on and off same. Can you see this? Now see, this is my pancreas, I told you. Right? This is my body. This is my pancreas over here in the original body. In my hand, the pancreas will come here. Can you see this? The shape of this pancreas like this. For diabetes, if anybody having diabetes, if one tries this, placing of this turmeric gatta on our corresponding part of our hand like this, for 8 hours every alternate day for 10 days, one will find amazing changes, improvement in the diabetes also. It was a testimonial, right? Because God has made this turmeric powder, a turmeric stick, shape of that pancreas like this, the color of this haldi also like this, and placing of the pancreas, the color of the pancreas originally also like this, right? The placing of this haldi over here will give wonderful result for diabetes also. Pardon? I'm telling you. See, at night when you go to sleep, right? No, take 2 pieces of haldi, turmeric gatti. One place it over here on the left hand, similar way on the right hand. Tie up with thin kapda, dupatta ka kapda or any cloth, just like a band-aid, or wear a gloves. Place it, just keep it and sleep overnight. So you are not going out with this at night. You can keep it. In the morning you take out. After getting in the morning, drinking water is very, very important. Walking also is very, very important. Because when you walk also, in the feet also there is pancreas point, there is acupressure point over there. When you walk every day in the morning for 10 minutes, every alternate day if you do this, after 8 days, 10 days, check your diabetes. It will come slowly under control. Right? No? Because after applying this natural will work on the corresponding part of the body which is present in our hand by placing like this. When you walk also by pressure point it will press. Right? Yeah, this way if you do it, it will work. After 8 days, 10 days, your question I will give you, tell you later on. You just note down whatever you want to ask. Later on we have the counter session. Right? So placing of this pancreas, placing of this haldi over here, it works very good for the diabetes also. Yeah. No, same place you can, because it is not finishing. This you can use it every day. There is no, but alternate day you have to use it. Can you see this entire body placing of the way in hand, same way in feet also. But it is very difficult for me to explain you. Once you understand the corresponding part of the body in hand, similar way in the feet. Because in feet also we have 4 fingers, 1 thumb. In hand also we have 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Front part of the body, back part of the body, up part of the body and low part of the body. As I explained you, right? For this reason, the body has everything needed to support its life and to exist in nature as a complete and independent phenomenon. God has given everything, then why are we so passive in regard to our own health? God has given everything in our body, only thing we are not aware. 4 fingers, 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 face, 1 neck. In thumb we have 2 joints. In finger we have 3 joints. In leg we have 3 joints. Hand we have 3 joints. 2 hands, 2 legs, 4 fingers. Every finger has 3 joints. Every joint is correspond for the each and every part of the hand and feet. Right? For instance, if I say this is my hand, this is my finger, correspond this hand. First part of the finger correspond my this hand. Means entire portion over here which is located over here. Can you see this? See, first part of the finger, which is located over here, it means entire hand, first part will come on the first part of the finger. Then this is my wrist joint correspond. If I have wrist joint pain, first part of the finger will give curative effect by pressing on the joint of the finger. It will curative effect on the wrist joint also. Second joint is my elbow joint. So this is my elbow joint correspondent, I can say, right? This is my shoulder portion.